didn't hear me.
We heard you. Did you have a birthday?
How'd you know?
Hey, happy birthday. Sorry, I'm setting up all the lives.
Intuition.
Happy birthday. I had one too on the 8th.
Happy birthday.
Very nice. Happy birthday.
Happy
How'd
birthday.
y'all know it was my birthday?
Birdie told us. A birdie told us with a sweet voice.
Thank you.
Hey, Coach, how was the run this weekend?
Oh, it was awesome. It was a walk for me, but the run was cool. But the cool thing is because Virginia's got like nothing but hiking trails everywhere. So it ended up half of it was like hiking, and the other half was walking. But it was cool. My knee's a little sore today, which is weird. I have no idea why my knee is sore, but whatever. Old age. I'm almost 50, so.
I was gonna say all day.
Yeah. But it was cool, man. We raised a lot of money. And thank all of you guys for raising the money. I think we raised like $620 for the event, which is awesome. So I appreciate everybody that donated. Very cool. It's all to a good cause. Had some nice pictures and videos that I posted over the weekend in the regular Stock Lounge and Instagram, Twitter, all the things. So thank you guys again for helping out. Very cool.
You look good, John. Big break.
All right, and now 9:04. Looks like pre-market SPY has flipped red to green. We'll see what it wants to do today. It is a banking holiday, so it looks like if your funds were not settled, that is why. So I know there's going to be a lot of people that are, yes, it is. It's going to be a lot of people that are watching and observing today, which is good. Take notes, get out your journals. Friday, I also set up a replay area. I will try to do that quite often. It literally took, I don't know, like 2 hours for the thing to compile because it has to, once we close out the Zoom meeting, it has to compile almost 2 terabytes of a 7-hour session. So it takes forever. Then I have to wait for it to upload to Google Drive. Then I have to share it back down to here. Like it's a big deal. So will it happen every day? I highly doubt it, but I will try to put some in there every now and then so we can at least, have something to review. Which is funny because did anybody get a chance to watch that replay?
Yes, sir.
I thought it was kind of cool because you could see in the morning when the market started to pop up. And if you remember during the whole thing live, I was like, don't trust that. That doesn't look right. Remember, I was like, that looks like short sellers buying it up. And sure as hell, the rest of the day, boom, crashed red all day. So it was a real fake out, but it was cool seeing it during the replay. I kept saying, don't you buy that. If you saw it, I kept saying, that's not the time to long. Don't do it. So that was kind of neat to see that. All right, let's see how we're doing. Let me make sure everything is up and running. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for being here over here on Facebook, YouTube. I think everything should be flipped the correct way. Let me know if it is. I have I have 2 cameras and a couple lenses coming, but YouTube Live won't be streaming from my phone anymore. So we'll have super high-end quality going to be set up on that system. TikTok, you can't really do anything about it. And then we're going to see what we're going to do with Facebook. Facebook will probably get a camera upgrade as well. So that's all in the works. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you had a great weekend. New lifetime membership. Awesome. Thank you for being here. Appreciate everybody. I'm going to flip all these to cellular service. Hopefully we don't have any weird power outages today. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. Let's see how that is. What do you mean ending live broadcast? Why did you end the live broadcast over here? And Facebook died, of course. Give me one moment. It's quite the ordeal setting all this up. There's a lot going on. Let's try it again over here on Facebook. Give me one moment. All right, it's going live again. Good morning, YouTube. Can you see me okay? If you can, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Good morning, good morning. Looks good, everything looks good. Just let me know if American Dream Trading or Coach CWC starts to have issues. Janice Arad says, super skippy for me, same, okay?
And Coach, already this morning, it's sort of glitchy on American Dream Trading.
American Dream Trading's glitchy, okay, thank you.
Yes, I'm with Coach CWC.
Yeah, what's the deal with that? Hold on one moment. Let me close them both and reopen them.
Good morning, ADT family.
Good morning.
Coach,
Good morning.
I tried for 15 minutes trying to log in. It won't let me in even with my password and email address. So just FYI.
To log into what?
To log into ADT, the Zoom meeting, I couldn't get in even with the password.
How are you in it now?
I had to shut off the computer, turn it back on 3 times, back and forth, and I don't know what you did on your end, but it finally let me in.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't do anything on my end.
All right. Well, thank you anyway.
Yeah. So you're all set for whatever I didn't do.
For the time being, until you go to lunch, hopefully the computer won't go to lunch with you.
Yeah. Right. Let's see.
Sounds like an old Nintendo system. You gotta take the game out, blow it.
Blow on it. Yeah, on the cartridge.
Top of the box.
Yeah, right. A couple times.
Hey, Coach, I need you to flip the cameras. And
Got it.
run for,
Will do.
Put a phone feature on.
the phone, yeah, for whatever reason, you flip the camera. the
Yeah,
phone.
when I killed the session and came back, it automatically does that. I don't know why it's like that.
Okay.
Both of them are flipped.
Yep. All right, now hopefully the signal is better now. There we go. All right. Hot stock picks are posted. Hopefully you guys are already rocking and rolling on those. SOBR started to take off. Let me see where it's at now. Oh, CSCW starting to run right now too. CSCW. We're gonna put that in right now. It's funny, I saw it starting to move this morning. I was like, I don't know. And then I was gonna put it in the long shot, and I didn't. But CSCW, which we've called out in here before, it's a nice penny stock. That's starting to get some volume. There was not a ton of stocks getting huge volume or looking good this morning. We had a couple runners, IMUX. I waited on that one just to make sure that it held up above VWAP, and it finally did, and that's when I called it out. All right, let's see. So yeah, CSCW right now looks to be a decent one that's gonna run.
About HROW this morning.
Let's take a look. HROW. No volume. There's nothing in that one. It's only sold 18 shares today. I would definitely be looking at those long shots today, which are SNTI and that, well, SOBR actually took off, but that was a long shot. Now it launched. That one here I had earmarked around this 280 And as soon as I saw this starting to form this cup here, I knew that was going to take off. So we'll see as soon as I get some more volume, that should take off. IMUX, still holding above VWAP up here, but remember, the closer we get to the bell, the more dangerous everything becomes. All right. Let's get this party started.
Sorry.
Oh,
I just blurted out, I'm sorry.
you're fine. Let's see, what do we got here?
For
Oh, nice. There we go. Looks like we have 220 people in here now. Awesome. We're now 16 minutes to the bell. Let me go ahead and mute all these mics, get this party started. Good morning. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. Thank you for being here. If this is your first time, I appreciate you visiting us over here at American Dream Trading. American Dream Trading has now been in business since February of 2021, so we have been here a little while. I've been trading for almost 30 years, just a little bit about myself. I am a full-time day trader. This is my job. This is what I do every day. You know, we have over 5,000 members that I serve daily. Let me find the count. We're now at 5,120 members and growing every day. So thank you so much for being here. Before I forget, I want to thank my moderators, Puny, Carter, Paula at the Beach, Brian's Tech, Johan, and Unhappily a Housewife. So if you see them out there, make sure you say hi to them. Appreciate it. Puny is Infinite Hope A. You'll see her on there. That's her name on that system. Thank you guys so much for what you're doing. Thank you for my military family. We honor you every day. Thank you for everyone that has served or that is serving. I appreciate you all. Love and respect. Thank you to our first responders, our firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and our truck drivers. Appreciate everything that you guys do for us. Sorry, I just have to move this camera real quick. There you go, Facebook. Now you guys should see a little better. Thank you, everyone. I hope you had an amazing weekend. Remember, here at American Dream Trading, we're trying to help you protect and grow your assets. So we always use our stops. Remember, all trades are risky. Make sure you always have an entrance and an exit strategy before you click buy on anything. In this room, you will learn everything there is about trading. I am not a, we don't teach you how to chase, buy, and sell signals. This channel and what you're seeing here on the lives, I will actually train you on how to be a stock market trader. This is not financial investment or tax advice on anything that we discuss. Everything and all trades we do will be in a training simulator. So if you have questions, make sure you ask. We do train around 350. It's getting close to 400 people live every day from 9 a.m. Eastern up until the bell or my voice gives out. So typically until around 4 p.m. every day if I'm able to do that. Again, if you have questions, make sure you ask them. I'll do my best to try to turn around and answer them, including all of the free versions over here, which is we have YouTube Live. We have TikTok, American Dream Trading, TikTok Coach CWC, and you can also find us on our YouTube Live channel, which is American Dream Trading. We're getting ready to swap out all the camera equipment on YouTube and probably Facebook as well. So make sure you're following us on all the things in the event that one of these systems goes down. We had a power outage on Friday. Luckily, though, our cell service continued to run. So make sure you are following on everything that's on here to get more, to make sure that you're able to see us. If you are interested in actually joining what we do, or so you can actually be a student of American Dream Trading, you can head over to americandreamtrading.com and sign up. You just click on the Discord. It's a blinking Discord button that says join the free Discord. You can join for free. I have tons of free information over in the bottom left-hand corner on the server. It says ADT Education. I have ebooks, crypto education, how-to videos, stock terms, flashcards, games. I mean, literally everything that you could want to get started on. So if you're a new trader, that's okay. Don't worry. Some of you may or may not know. One of my new traders now, under 60 days, is over $10 million in profits. Congratulations to that person. Nice work. He had never traded a day in his life before, came in with a 25K account, and is now over $10 million. Last couple days, he's made well over $1 million each and every day. So if you come in and saying, Coach, can I do this? Yes, you can. Is that normal? No, that's not normal. That's not normal at all. So I don't want you to have unrealistic expectations either. But we do have other members. We have another member that's never traded a day in his life. He's getting ready to pay off his house. He came in with 20K and he's doing a fantastic job. I have another trader. She's been here a year. She's made well over 160K now in profits being here just the last couple of months. And we have more and more people like that. We have another individual. She just joined us literally last week. Friday, she had a $53,000 or $55,000 trade just in one day off of, I believe it was SPY and Tesla puts. So anything is possible in here. Again, remember, I want to help you protect your assets by using those stops, right? And we move those stop losses up. Excuse me. We go through a lot of training in here, right? You're going to want to pick out what you like. So we do everything from scalping, which is 1 second to 10 second. We do everything from intraday, which I'm in an intraday trade right now on SNTI. We do swing trades, which could be intraday, multi-day, weeks, months, or years, right? So I have leaps. We also work with options, not just shares. Right now I'm putting on a clinic for wheel option strategy, which is cash secure puts turning into covered calls, and then round and round we go, making money from those. So you'll also see that we're using Robinhood for that account, just so you can see a different broker. I am using Webull. If you want to get Webull, when you sign up on the Discord, on the left-hand side, it says Webull free sign up here. When you do that, you'll get some shares, I'll get some shares. It's a win-win. So they're fractional, but you get quite a bit. You get like 30 fractional shares, I believe, or 15, something like that. But anyways, if you have under $25,000, I would recommend you do a cash account, not a margin account. With a cash account, you are not limited by the pattern day trading rules or PDT, which means you can only have 3 round-trip trades in 5 trading days. Again, you can get around that by having a cash account. So if you have $1,000 of settled cash funds, that's what you get to use. You could buy and sell as often as you up to, the $1,000. Then it takes 2 days for the cash to settle if you have shares. 1 day if you have options. Make sure you check with your broker on that, but I'm pretty sure it's everywhere. Another thing you could do is if you only wanted to trade shares, you could do my 50-50 rule. So use 50% of the account. So $500 today, $500 tomorrow. That way every day you could trade doing shares with just half the account. So whatever you want to do. Again, make sure you have your trades. All trades are risky, right? What I don't want, and I had one the other day, I think it was Thursday, I had somebody direct message me and say, I completely blew up my entire account. Can I get a refund? Listen, gang, you need to learn how to trade, okay? We're not coming in here. This isn't the casino. This isn't throw everything you have into a bet, because we don't gamble in here, right? That's all the stigmas, the terrible negative things that you hear about day trading, right? Is we're gamblers. No, we're not. Not when you do it strategically, accurately, and monitoring your losses, right? So you should never have more than a 1 to 3% portfolio loss ever in a single day ever, okay? That's making sure you're using those stops. If that is not you, if something else is going on, you need to find out why. I always recommend a journal. Every day you should have a journal, not only on the trades you're making, your emotions, because we want to take the emotions out of it. If you are finding out you're getting stopped out all the time, you're probably sizing in too much, or you have too tight of a stop loss. We want to immediately stop the negatives, the red days from happening, and you can do that with those stops. But if you are in too heavy, you're going to find out that you're not letting those work. They have to breathe a bit, right? Stocks don't just go straight up. They'll go up, pull back, go up, pull back, go up, pull back, right? So you have to give them a chance, especially on entry, to pull back a bit. Otherwise, every time you enter, you're going to get stopped out and you're going to lose money on every single entry. Give it a bit of a room to pull up, to breathe backward and then go up. So either if you're entering at the wrong time though, right, and then you have your stop loss too big, and then you're just letting it come down too much anyways, that's also an issue. So practice, practice, practice. Use your paper trading simulators, and everybody pretty much has one. Webull, E-Trade, TradingView. So find a paper trading account, a simulated account that you can practice on and get in there. Options. A lot of people in here are loving options. That's great. Options are also the hardest thing there is to trade. Out of anything there is to trade, options are the hardest. And don't let anybody tell you they're not, because if they do, they're clueless. Options are hard because they do not function the same way that shares do. You have what's called the Greeks. So learn about your delta, theta, gamma, IV crush, all the things, time decay. And I have all of those in the training videos. But don't think you're going to come in here making a gazillion dollars on options and blow your account up, because options can actually turn into absolutely zero really, really fast. If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes of the day. Do not trade pre-market. Those are both no-goes for you. Perfect example this morning, I was in SNTI, which I'm still in, by the way. Walked away for a couple minutes, it pulled back. Count was down $12,000. Just like that. Be very careful, be mindful. You can't put any stops in place, right? So pre-market in the first 30 minutes, 9:30 to 10 Eastern, that's not your time to trade. Let the market get rid of all of the volatility, which is the higher volume up and down and all around. So just stay out of there. We're now 5 minutes to the bell. Again, if you want to join us, head over AmericanDreamTrading.com. We appreciate everybody being here. What you're going to find out really fast is we are people helping people. You will obviously make money as you do this. That's just a side effect of being a trader, right? But what I want to instill and make sure everybody is doing here is we're all trying to help each other out. We're trying to help the community out. We're trying to become better people, right? That's American Dream. So we want to live the American dream, and trust me, that's not just finances. So if you guys want, you can head over to our merch store. Cheap plug, but we do have these F cancer mugs. This is breast cancer awareness. Each and every penny that goes towards these mugs will be donated to a cause. My wife and I just did a breast cancer walk this morning. So thank you to my American Dream Trading members. We were able to raise over $600 for that amazing cause, and we helped out hopefully, some women in there and possibly some men, because remember, men can get breast cancer too. So thank you again to my American Dream Trading family. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for donating your funds to that. If you guys want to help out other people in here, we do have 2 accounts set up. We have the 20% club, meaning you can donate $110, and then when we get 5 of those together, then we'll give out a lifetime membership. Or you can head over to the donation area and you can sponsor either a lifetime or a monthly membership, whatever you want to do. We do have one more lifetime to give away. So I will be doing that at some point this week, and as that pool grows and we get more and more, obviously we'll give out more. So I think we were able to give away, I think I personally gave away 3 or 4 lifetimes last week. I know Puny personally gave one away, and then I think we had, like 3 or 4 monthly. So we ended up giving away a ton of stuff last week. So we're going to continue to do that from the good-hearted people that we have here at American Dream Trading. So without further ado, we are now 3 minutes to the bell. Everyone get ready to rock and roll. We do have our hot stock picks ready to go for our paid members. We do that each and every single day. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Thank you again to my moderators. Appreciate you guys.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
TikTok the Coach CWC one is pausing every 4 or 5 seconds. The American Dream Trading seems good. But
Okay. All right. Thank you. Coach the Coach CWC one is?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. I don't know why that one is. That's a brand new phone. I have no idea why it's doing it.
Get all the news on our watch list. I subscribe to it. Obviously, over 30,000 people do as well. And then I'm just going to review what that story was. I know it's European. Oh yeah, that's
I don't know what that was about, but okay. Is it okay now? Coach CWC, does this look okay? Good morning, good morning. Want to make sure that American Dream Trading looks good too. How we doing over here on YouTube? Make sure you click that thumbs up so I can see that everything's working okay.
Yeah, the Coach CWC is still buffering.
For everyone?
So we are.
Feed is super intermittent,
There's
okay.
a bunch of people noting it in the TikTok.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna try. I just
Over to American Dream Trading, because that one's working a little better.
okay, and I just flipped it to Wi-Fi. We'll see if it works now.
Check your SOBRs, coach.
SOBR looking good. Oh yeah, looking real nice. Real nice. Here we go. We are now 50 seconds, 45 seconds to the bell. We are ready to rock and roll.
You doing anything with PayPal today?
You know what? I didn't see anything like earth shattering where I would, sink that battleship yet. I did check it pre-market. It's just kind of going with the flow. Is Brady in here this morning? No, okay. I was just curious how Brady did on Friday. I remember he was going to go. I remember he was going to go heavy on SPY and/or Tesla. Hopefully that worked out.
Yeah, he called Tesla early.
Yep.
But he did.
So hopefully that worked out. All right, here we go. There's the bell. Let's see what's going to happen today. Let's see. I'm watching, of course, SNTI just because I have such a heavy load onto this system. We'll see what that wants to do. Let's see. Today looks like it's going to be choppy, but hopefully it's going to wind up green is what I would love to say, but there's no telling on today. I cannot give you a definitive. Like Friday, I told you it was going to be red, 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 and it was. I could not tell you today. Today is super questionable. If I had to guess, I would say it's going to be choppy or red, but you know me, I would like to see a green day, but we'll see. But I could not tell you definitively right now. Pre-market, it was red. It came back to green before the bell. There's no real major news. So we'll see what today's going to bring.
Market.
Tesla going up.
Thank you. Yeah, SPY will be going up here as well.
SOBR on the big spike.
Nice, thank you. SOBR's got a spike to the upside. Yeah, oh yeah, SOBR's taken off nicely. Yeah.
MPTI halted up.
Which one?
MPTI.
Thank you. Yep, I see it. It says halted reason unknown. SOBR now at 40%. SOBR at 40%. Nice. SPY's just sitting here at the open. I bet you Kelly Ellie is extremely happy she is not sitting on those SPY puts, because at the open that would have been rough. Because now you could just rebuy those, right? So if you thought it was still going to go down, you could rebuy them and you collected all that money. SNTI is not doing anything. I've got some alerts, so I'll check back on that and we'll see what that wants to do later.
A big spy pull.
Yep, I see it now. SOBR is still climbing up.
Order filled.
SPY on a big pull.
PayPal's yanking.
PayPal is yanking. Okay, thank you.
Meta had some going upwards, now it's tanking bad.
SPY pulling.
Get up.
AMV halted up.
Thank you. AMV halted to the upside. That will resume at 9:36 and 37 seconds.
First red candle on Tesla.
First red on the 2 minute on Tesla. Thank you. Yep. Tesla's starting to pull. SPY's starting to pull. SPY's about to flip green to red now.
First red for me on SPY, 2 minute.
Thank you. And there's your second red on Tesla. 2 minute EWO just got triggered. Where's Tesla at? Tesla, I'd want to see pull down here though around this 219.50 range. Let me see. Yeah, once we get around here around this 219.50 range, Tesla have a nice pull to the downside. SOBR still working its way up. SOBR is about to pop. I can see it dancing on SOBR. Make sure you use your stops, but SOBR is about to pop. Sitting at 40%, shot up to 42%. Tops, thank you. Yeah, tops. There goes SOBR. Nice little break. New high a day. Tops at 16%, looking good. Good call out on tops. CSCW just sitting flat here at the open. Was hoping to see a little bit more volume pile into that, but we'll see. SOBR still getting volume here. That's going to start to run again. It's at 44%. SOBR is at 44%, 45% on SOBR, about to break new high a day. There's new high a day on SOBR, 46%. Anybody in SOBR?
I'm in.
Thank you.
I'm in as well.
Nice.
I'm in.
Nice. SPY on a huge pull to the downside. Tesla as well. So if you were in those Tesla puts, you had extreme confirmation on that 2 minutes. Same with SPY. Who's in Tesla or SPY puts?
I got the Columbus days. Oh my God, I wish I had some money.
Anybody in Tesla SPY puts or Tesla or SPY puts? Those 2 minutes activated.
Yep.
Good. Should be nice and green now. SOBR still making new high a day. Tesla's still pulling really hard. Tesla broke that 219.50 range I was talking about. We're going to get a hard pull here now. Tesla now at 218.63. SOBR new high a day at 3.7. 49% now, 50%. Tesla pulling harder at 218.40. Printing, everybody should be printing. We've been calling SOBR and Tesla and SPY puts. Everyone's printing, yes?
Just made 120 on this SOBR.
Nice, good job. There's 354 people in here. You should be banking SOBR to the upside, Tesla and SPY to the downside. Pick your poison.
Check your SNTI, it took it down.
Oh, did it? Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, it did. Wow. Thank you. That'll be the gift that keeps giving, I think, all day long on me. I'm sorry, what about SOBR?
I just need to get better at trading with the slow step stare kind of.
Yeah, that's a trailing stop setup on SOBR for you.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Yeah, if you just
So the trailing stop, basically, if it sits at a certain value for too long, then it will finally sell?
No, what it does is every time it hits the highest point, whenever it falls back to whatever your stop is, then it will sell off. So it can follow it up all day stair stepping until it has a pullback, and then it'll sell.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one of those. Somebody was asking me about, they said they worked a full-time job, or the truck drivers especially. Trailing stops are your best friend. You can set it and forget it. You're either going to come back to it as a millionaire, or once you're in the green and you walk away, then you can never lose money, right? Theoretically, knock on wood, because you never know what's going to happen with a stock. But so you're still making money on SOBR, still getting ready to form new high a day. Tesla and SPY puts are still printing, even though they're just pulling back here and breathing. Speaking of breathing, somebody just died in our channel. Okay. There goes SPY on the yank again.
I guess funds didn't settle today because of Columbus Day.
Correct. Yep. Bank holiday. Yep.
Yeah, I know. Oh. I only had $800 to trade with, so I made $120 off of it. So. I can't even make a trade. It sucks. I tried to get a put like 2 minutes into open and.
You could have made my SNTI trade this morning. I'll trade you. I would gladly have my account not have been able to trade today.
Respectfully decline.
Trade you even up for your no trade day to mine. Deal. Deal.
How about PayPal? Let's
Let's take a look.
Tops is running.
Tops is running. Thank you.
20% at this moment, but it looks like it's gonna be down.
Yeah, you could definitely short it. SPY's still pulling. Anybody in those SPY puts?
I need some help.
Go ahead. Who needed help? Oh, never mind. That's something else.
Yeah, that's the background.
Oh boy, she needs help with her job. Sounds like. Can't help you. Call HR.
So, Coach,
Yeah.
let's say I did set up a trailing stop for SOBR. What would my trail amount dollar be?
That's a great question. Let's take a peek.
It's like 12 cents, it looks like.
Is it? All right. Hold on. Let's see. 73.58. Yeah, that sounds about right. 10 to 12 cents. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So is it high a day to lower resistance line?
It'll be, no, it's not high a day. It's high at exactly when you click the button to say trailing stop. At that point, then it'll be the 10 to 12 cents. And then every time it goes higher, obviously there's a new 10 to 12 cents, right? Because every time it goes up, it recreates a new 10 to 12 cent for you.
That's fucking awesome.
Yeah, oh, it's unbelievable, man. You can literally set it and forget it,
Shit. Okay.
Yep.
That's really good to know.
Did you say NVIDIA's tanking?
Oh, yeah, big time.
Oh, awesome. So glad to hear that since I'm holding a bunch over here in these covered calls. Cash secured puts.
Oxy's on the rise.
Which one? Tops?
Netflix is ripping.
Oxy.
Oxy's ripping. What was the other one ripping? Netflix?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, Netflix is such a discount.
AMV.
Thank you. Yeah, why is Netflix ripping? Is there news? Anything going on? NFLX. Was there earnings? No. Let me see. It doesn't say why Netflix is taking off. I wanted to buy some cash secure puts this morning, but now it's too late. It's already up 2.5%. Pay a huge premium on that. I will wait. Speaking of that, so the Robinhood portfolio, we started with 100K on the 14th. All we've been doing is the wheel option strategy, cash secure puts, covered calls. That account is now down to 97,288. Remember, cash secured puts and covered calls during a bear market is extremely hard to do. So
Got breathe back on sober.
Thank you. Yep, I see it. We wanted that to stay above that VWAP, otherwise it's gonna pull. I can see a lot of buying pressure on that wick, so we'll see what it wants to do. Sober though ran up 50%. That could be a heavy breathe. Tesla's still sideways. Those puts should still be printing since it went down so long. Is anyone still in the Tesla or SPY puts?
I'm still in the Tesla one.
I'm in SPXU equivalent.
Oh, nice. How is the Tesla's put right now? What percentage, and did you get in right on the 2 minute?
Yeah, it's still 4% up.
Okay, I'm just curious.
It's going up and down. I mean, it was negative just a little bit ago, but I still let it.
Yeah, let it do its thing. Yep, because SPY's pulling here. SPY's still making new lows. SPY flipped red to or green to red.
Twitter's on a steady climb since open.
Thank you. Yeah, I saw Twitter was open or was higher in pre-market too. So Twitter's now at $50.46.
Second green bar on coin, 2 minute.
Oh, nice. Okay.
That's what broke me what?
Yep, Tesla's starting to reverse back to the upside. Coin is moving up. Good call out. Coin's now on the third green candle on the 2 minute Elliott. So a little late for us to pick that up, but good call out.
SOBR just broke you up.
Yep, I'm seeing SOBR starting to pick back up again. You can see more volumes coming in. How can we tell volumes coming in without looking at the L2?
Your Elliott wave bar is higher than the one before.
And look at the candle dance, right? Yeah, the candle's jumping. Now you can see all the selling pressure. Look how long the wick is on the top.
Okay, so I just bought one share of SOBR and put a trailing stop to see how it works.
Yep.
That's so fucking cool.
Yeah, that's nice, right?
Well, the Elliott wave being higher than before would be volume in a particular direction, right? So it could
Correct.
still be really like heavy volume that just could be going up and down.
Correct. Yeah, you wanna watch the candle. The candle will be dancing more. See right here, we've got a doji in the middle, undecided. It's more to the downside than it is the upside on SOBR right now. Starting to consolidate, but the good thing is it never broke VWAP, which is very bullish, right? So if it came down here, touched it, bounces back up, that's great. Tesla is now on a full reversal right here, so be careful.
Netflix, new high today.
Thank you. Netflix still climbing all day. Great call out. Yeah, look at that. Who's in Netflix? That's beautiful. Woo!
Still holding a call from Friday.
Nice. That's great.
Attaboy.
Hell yeah. Was that BMAC?
Yes, sir.
BMAC. You're just gonna end up making so much money. You don't even need to be on Amazon. That's just gonna be
You
for
silly goose.
that'll just be for fun, homie.
That'll just be for fun.
That'll be for funsies. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
How do you get that confirmation thing to stop popping up when you're buying stuff?
Bottom left-hand corner, click on settings, go to trade, scroll to the bottom, take out all these check boxes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Absolutely. Looking.
I have enough settled cash for one share of SOBR. Nice.
Nice,
New high day coin in Netflix.
nice.
So
Yeah, look at Tesla starting to take off. I just bought a Netflix Leaps, by the way, in that cash secured put covered calls.
Hey, Coach, what's your thought on CCL Leaps, 2025 Leaps?
I like it, but I'm scared of CCL right now. We don't know if that thing's gonna wind up bankrupt or if it's gonna be, you know, a super amazing fire sale, right?
Yeah. I've been thinking about it.
Yeah, it's scary right now, man. It's just scary, you know.
Still at $11.
Yeah, Tesla's on a full reversal now.
SPY's breaking below VWAP.
Thank you.
Second that EWO's gonna come soon for Tesla.
Yep.
Looks like Wayne Resorts had a big sell-off from the stabbing news that took place over the weekend.
All right, thank you.
Boy, coin had the current candle completely white all the way down, and the buyers pushed it all the way back up.
I just bought a Tesla call. It's a Leaps, January 2025, in the cash secure put covered calls. I picked up a 230 strike just because Tesla's been getting beat down for so long. If that thing flips at all. Now remember,
on Tesla.
even if the entire market, right, loses another 10 or 20%, and you're picking up Leaps, right, on the weekly, they're going to have a nice bounce. Because if we're looking at, I mean, this is theoretical, but if the entire market can only go down another 10 or 20%, right, and we're picking up Leaps now for 2 years, we'll be sitting real pretty. So we'll see.
CME's moving up.
Thank you.
Second green on 2 minute Tesla.
Thank you.
Looks like SPY's starting to consolidate on VWAP.
Thank you.
Coach, what was that leap you bought? What was the price point on it?
The Tesla, that was a 230. Got that on the cheap. 230, I only paid $8,475 for it.
Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, Coach, does anybody know what the TOS perimeters were for the EWO? I know someone had,
Yeah, I remember somebody talking about it.
because mine's not matching up at the 535.
I thought it was 1 and 30. I'm not on TOS.
Which of the 25 systems one is 30?
Yeah, think or swim 130.
130, okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Coach, on that Tesla Leap,
Uh-huh.
I think you got January 2025.
Yep.
The 230 strike. So the bid, the spread between the bid and the ask is like 9 points. How do you work that?
I did it through Robinhood, which stinks. So I had to kind of guess at what the mid was.
Yeah.
So just go for the mid price, and typically you'll be okay. I think I paid a little bit too high. It's probably, I don't know. We'll see.
Got your SNTI new low of the day, unfortunately.
Thank you. Yeah, I can see it. It'll probably pull pretty hard.
Oh, geez, it just flushed.
Yeah, it will.
IMUX above VWAP.
Thank you. Tesla making new high a day right here. Yeah, that SNTI, like I said, if it breaks, it can come all the way down here to this 430.
Okay, do we need to keep reminding you, or you guys?
No, I'm good. Yeah, I'm literally just going to be holding for a swing at this point.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
thank you
just
though.
Trying to look out for you while you're helping others.
Yeah, I appreciate you. Yeah, I'm just going to hold it for a swing. Even if I got to sit here with this thing for a couple weeks, it's all right.
Okay.
Tesla's starting to look really good here. SPY's consolidating sideways, but Tesla's a nice move to the upside.
Silver's trying to hold the 2 minute VWAP.
Thank you.
It's fun when you have capital.
APDN.
Which one?
APDN.
Oh yeah, what's going on with that? APDN, is there news on that? Check out APDN, something happened. Let me see, look for news.
They announced the receipt of the largest single purchase order for linear DNA to date 5 minutes ago.
Oh, there you go. That's going to be hot. APDN. APDN. That just told me I had to get rid of it by the end of the day. SPY still pulling. There goes SPY. Anybody in those SPY puts? SPY never really came back above VWAP. Is anybody in a SPY put still off the 2 minute call out this morning?
Not in the put, I'm still in my SPXU.
Okay.
I am.
Oh, good. What's the percentage on those SPY puts?
0.46 right now.
Okay. And you bought those exactly on the you bought those on the 2 minute?
Yeah, about 30 seconds into the second red bar.
Oh, good. That'll be a good indication. Okay, because this should start to be paying nicely right now. Because that's a huge pull.
But you have somebody asking for help.
You need to land a plane.
Okay, go ahead. Who needed help?
I'm gonna call Coach.
Oh,
Shut
that-
up, it's
Brady. Brady needs help. Brady's still an eye lag.
Dang it, I thought I was gonna be sneaky.
Brady, what happened on Friday, man? You were in here for a minute, and then you took off.
Say what?
What happened on Friday? You were in, you were gonna go super heavy on Tesla and SPY, and then you disappeared.
Oh yeah, I made good on Tesla right off the rip, and I was like, I'm just gonna call it a day.
Oh, okay. You just ran. We didn't know if he turned into Hulk or
He ran away.
he got in the Bugatti and took off for the day.
Oh no, I did good, and then I just decided to call it because it gets exhausting doing this for.
Oh yeah. I just didn't know how it was because I mean we nailed it. We said it was gonna be bad red day. So I knew you did well. I didn't know if you did well and took off or you got sick again or I don't know what happened.
Oh yeah, no, I did well.
Good for you.
So exhausted making millions in a day.
Yeah. It is exhausting. It's hard work looking this good, right, Brady?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he was late for a meeting in his day job.
Right.
Those weights aren't gonna lift themselves.
Brady will never have to know what a day job is the rest of his life. American Dream Trading.
Call on APDN.
I was about to say, what's a day job?
Yeah, APDN, that's nice.
I'm in at 165
Oh, good.
on the breathe back.
Coach not following his own philosophy. What?
I always follow. What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? There's a trailing stop. I just put it in there for funsies. I mean, I'm only holding 100 shares of it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Brady, I got squashed on SNTI this morning.
No way.
Yeah, that freaking train just ran me over, and I think it backed up twice.
Did you try to get in the morning?
Yeah, I did. I did. And then I went and took a shower, and I came back, and I was down 11 grand.
What? How? That looks like a huge uptrend.
Well, I was holding up here around, 550. So I went and showered, it broke, and it's been crumbling ever since. So I'm like, well, yeah, I'm like, well, that'll.
Did something happen for that huge pull up?
No, it's just this is a new IPO or a new pop that came out. You can see that it's popped a couple times the last couple days because we've been talking about it in here. So I figure it's got a pretty good chance to get back up to the 650 range. Worst case, it's been hovering, which is around the 550. That's why I didn't mind holding. If you look at this screen, it's showing it's 550 is like where it wants to go back. So.
And Coach
Yep.
Silver just took a big downturn.
Did it? Okay, thank you.
It looked like a bear trap.
SPY still pulling. Who was in that SPY puts? I'm curious. What's the percent on that now?
I got out at 0.4%.
I should have paid pretty well. Maybe the chop kind of chopped it up too much.
Yeah, chop killed.
Yeah, because this consolidation sideways probably killed it. Yeah.
Sideways, so I decided to get out 300.
Yeah.
Coach, I still got a couple of those spy puts. I'm almost up. It's 42%.
Oh, good. Okay, 42%. Nice.
Coach tops going for a new high.
Thank you.
Is Apple tanking?
Is it?
It's, last time, I think on Friday, wasn't it like at 140 or 141?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, Friday.
It's at 138.
Yeah, Friday they said the market lost like over $1 trillion.
Yeah, what caused the 25% on the SPY?
Nobody knows. It's just the way it is right now.
On Friday, it was a non-farm.
People are just scared, man. This is scared money. This is a great time to be an investor. And I'm not talking about just day trading.
Dailies of these, man.
Yeah, and I'm not talking about day trading. I'm talking about cost dollar averaging in. These are, now we don't know if it's going to be 6 months or 12 months or 18 months still of, recession, but whatever. These are.
We'll keep going lower with it.
Yeah, they're sale prices, right? So that's why I don't mind buying all these leaps right now. Everybody thinks I'm crazy buying leaps during this, but I'm telling you, I think we're in the middle. There's a big upside still. We'll see.
I'm not sure if y'all can hear me, but from what I read, when they came out with the jobs and there was a lower unemployment, it affects the inflation, so
Yeah.
it flipped everything over, and that's why it was supposed to be a negative day on Friday.
Yep.
Oh, it's 100%.
Yeah, that's why,
If
yeah.
there's good, just think of it like this: if there's good news, the stock market is going to crash. If it's bad news, the stock market is going to go up.
Yep.
Thanks team, $160 on APDN.
Oh, nice. Good job.
You may wanna do your disclaimer, coach.
Will do. One moment. I'm selling some covered calls.
If you want to join our membership, head over to www.americandreamtrading.com. We have a limited lifetime membership for a one-time fee of $550 and a monthly membership for $110. Both of those, you will get access to our hot stock picks of the day before the regular market opens, access to our membership area where we discuss hot news, pre and post market to help you throughout the day, and get access to our live training where I show you my complete setup and trades in the simulator with every call, entry, and exit throughout the day. With this membership, you also get unlimited viewing in our videos on demand section where we go over day trading, swing trading, call options, covered calls, cash secured puts, and more. Sign up today and remember, all trades are risky. Use your stops. American Dream Trading is not licensed to give out financial or investment advice, and everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only.
All right, thank you.
Kind of wishing I waited and bought my leaps today instead of last week on SPY.
Just you can add another one unless you're out of gunpowder.
Yeah, I'm all out.
Yep.
Would have been nice to pick another one up today though.
I'm going to.
That screwed a lot of us up.
Yeah, if it does it again. If it keeps dropping anyway. So there's those SPY puts. Who was in those SPY puts of 40%? Where's my gentleman that had those SPY puts of 40%? Because you're getting paid.
Got in, got out, coach. I made $2,000 and I'm back in.
Nice. Yeah, because that's never showed a reversal today, has it?
No, I have.
Oh yeah, I'm still in the SPY put.
Yeah, good. I was gonna say that is
Almost up to 50%.
nice.
And yeah, I read an article on Tesla.
It's tanking hard.
They said that it was going to keep pulling back until Elon finished selling enough shares to buy Twitter. So I'm holding some Tesla puts also for 2 weeks.
Is that gentleman still in here about trailing stop?
Oh, I don't know if he is or not.
I was just gonna tell him that I'm getting ready to leave and I'm still in a position, but I've got my trailing stop. So your philosophy is you just forget about it.
Yeah, oh yeah. You're gonna come back green, or at least, once I set the trailing stop, I make sure that I'm already up enough, right? So I use stops. I drag my stop up. Once I've then come clear into the green, I'll set the trailing stop, and that way it'll never come back lower than what I paid for it. So
Yeah, we got our first red candle on coin.
thank you.
Downside.
All right. Tops is wanting to make new high a day here.
Coach, has anybody looked or mentioned about the dollar? Is it still going up?
The US dollar?
Yeah.
I haven't looked at it.
Hold on. Let me take a peek.
50 call.
Yeah, it's up a little bit. The euro's at 0.9750 to the dollar. It's
Okay.
down 0.0036, the euro.
So the question,
The stronger the dollar gets, the worse that affects SPY and everything.
Right here, Coach. On the dollar, what do you play in terms of a stronger dollar or a weaker dollar? How do you play that in the market?
I don't play it.
Yeah,
If
I'm
the
not doing
dollar-
anything with it
If the
either.
dollar's going up, I know SPY is going to go down.
Gotcha.
If the
Correlation.
dollar's going down, I know SPY is
Same with gold and silver. If the dollar goes up, they go down. It's always the opposite.
You just play the correlation.
Yes, it's always the opposite.
And then you can follow the euro future too.
SPY call.
And I can tell you the dollar, because for whatever reason, Thinkorswim doesn't have the dollar anymore.
Yeah, SPY, okay, here it is. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add another SPY leaps. I'll do the same. Let's see, this will be for,
This is great. The S&P is already down 10% or 10 points.
yeah, it's crazy.
SPY is gonna keep going. I love it.
Yeah, SPY has not once shown a sign of reversal, not once today. So those SPY puts, who's in that SPY put still? You're still getting paid.
Well, the one gentleman made $2,000 and went back in.
Yep.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, imagine if he never left.
Yeah, but you know what they say. Put it in your
It's good to
pocket,
get
you
in.
always re-enter.
Sure. Well, you know what they say, if it doesn't show a sign of reversal and the coach hasn't said it looks like it's reversed yet, keep making the freaking money.
Well, we're only following the simulator.
Right.
Oh, Sober's pulling back hard now. That trade's over for a while.
Nice.
First red bar.
Sober's out, everybody.
Be sober no more.
Yep.
Again.
Sober has gotten its AA.
Sober fell off the wagon.
We got a third red bar on coin, so it's dead.
Thank you. I just bought another SPY leaps. I only paid $2,600 for it. Let's see what my average is on that. I'm now holding 2 SPY leaps. They're 450 calls. Here, I'll flip my screen. Hold on.
PayPal and Nvidia are still.
There we go. All right, so my average cost now is $29 on these 2 SPY leaps. So yesterday, because or Friday, I always say yesterday. Friday, because it got burned so bad, it lost it was like 10% or 12%. And then of course today it keeps pulling too.
Anybody in the Nvidia puts, they're rich today.
And I just have to scoop them up now. If you're wondering why are you buying them now, Coach? Because I'll forget later doing all this training and I'll forget to buy the SPY puts. So I'll lose a couple bucks, but if I don't, I won't remember to add them. And then I'll look at this account in a week and go, damn it, I was gonna add those.
Well, I was out all last week, guys, out of town. Did anybody hit 6 figures? Any new person?
Nobody knew that I know of. Nobody's messaged me on the side for it.
Starting options.
Well, Kelly made, one of our new members, she made 55,000 Friday.
Holy cow.
So.
On what?
SPY and Tesla puts.
Wow.
How was your cancer walk?
Oh, it was awesome, man. It was fun. It's very cool.
Boy, you can tell it's 10 o'clock now. All the candles just slow down.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Now all my newer traders, now's your time to, now you can start looking at trading. Tops starting to make a move here to the upside again. Wanting to see tops break new high a day here.
Randy, did you hit 7 million last week?
Brady's over 10, dude.
What?
Yeah. He's been over 10 for a while.
Oh, last Friday when I left, he was up around 6, I think, at that point.
No, he's not playing at that level anymore.
Oh my goodness.
We're not doing that anymore.
Is he in yet?
Yeah, Jimmy, you out on a fishing boat or are you trading today? Or both? I'm not sure where Jimmy's at. Oh, hey, there he is. Jimmy, I didn't even hear you this morning, man.
I'm concentrating.
Gotcha. Do we need to find you one or did you already find one?
I've found one and I'm not telling anyone.
All right.
I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. I'm on.
You're on IMUX, right?
No, I'm on FNGR.
All right. Check out IMUX if that one runs out, because IMUX will do the same thing.
I heard you earlier. And
Yep.
Don't worry, don't worry, Jimmy. As soon as you say where you're at, I avoid it.
So yeah, I've had that train run me over a couple times.
It's get the hell out time.
Yep. So Puny and who else was the, somebody else in here liked to do the same style?
Hello?
Cause IMUX would be a good one for that.
Hello?
That would be a good one. It's a couple dollars more expensive, but I'm doing really well this morning, so I'm staying right here.
Oh yeah, nope. Stay with what you know.
Coach, I'd like to know your thoughts on entering NVIDIA here. It's got a lot of support, like around 116.
You're not talking about long in it, right?
No, I am talking about long.
No, I wouldn't touch that yet. No way. I don't like it.
There is a bad news on all chip stocks. The
Yes.
US is- Yep.
From the China, from the US telling China the exports for their chips. There's like a big tax and they're not allowing some of them to come over. So NVIDIA is going to get burned for a while.
Can you explain why not investing in NVIDIA?
Why invest in them long?
Yes, why not right now?
Oh, why? Oh, for today? Because everything today is pointing to the downside. If you get in this train wreck, you are going to get ran over.
Even with a put?
Well, no. A put's good. When we mean long, that means a call. Okay.
Oh, okay, yes.
Yeah. A long means to the upside. Yeah, no, you could do a put.
With a put.
Yeah, put's perfect. But don't you dare touch a call yet.
Okay.
You get ran over.
SPXU, new high of the day.
Yep, SPY's pulling even more. Who's still in those SPY puts? Those are
Like $245 got out.
Yeah, I'm still holding, Coach.
nice. Brady, did you say 200%?
No, just when I got in.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Since I got out and got back in, I'm up 30%.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
And yeah, whoever's in SPXU, like, this would be perfect for you guys.
Oh, hell yeah.
For cheap. That
Yep.
was just going to ride.
Ride that donkey.
I'm in it. Got my trailing stop. That's why I can call other stocks out, because I'm pretty much just gonna hang out.
Yeah, that baby's just going to, you can set that and not even worry about it. As long as you hear SPY tanking, you know you're golden.
Yep. Here's another mover. Peggy, P-E-G-Y. I just saw that on my Mac. PEGY stair stepping up since the open. That's another one of those trailing stop situations. Set it and forget it. PEGY, 5.5% right now.
Hey, Coach, did you see Russia did a bunch of missiles into Ukraine?
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay.
Yep, that's why I was expecting SPY to really be bad this morning. That's why I was like, why in the hell is it flipping green this morning? That's why I said I didn't know what today was going to bring. It should have been a red day, but maybe it will.
Everything's going to be red.
Yep.
I have SPY and everything going down. I think everything will probably go down until CPI on Thursday.
Yep. Probably going to get a lot of destruction.
Russia is also just not going to stop what they're doing. They don't even care. It seems like.
Nope. Well, he went in with a plan. He isn't going to stop.
Yeah, exactly.
And since we keep funding it.
Yeah, if we just keep throwing money in Ukraine, it's just going to make it worse.
Yeah, we keep throwing billions and billions and billions over there. All right, XELA is up 23%. Check out XELA. That's another one. That's a micro penny stock. If you guys are looking at going in and doing the trailing stop, XELA is great for that, especially those smaller accounts. There it goes. It's starting to pop. XELA. Now that one you could use a percentage just because you're not trying to follow the dollar because it's in pennies. But when it does that, then you should be paying attention to how much the percent is moving. See, like right here, I'll do it just so you guys can see it. We'll do 100. Last price go. Okay. What was that? XELA right here. Close. Close an order, trailing stop, and I'll use a percent on this one. I'll do like 2%. There you go. And you can set that one and forget it. Just like that. Let's see what else is going on. APDN is now flat. SOBR broke VWAP, so that's dead. Tops, still looking good here. Tops is another one of those, set it, forget it.
Oh yeah, I forgot, I wrote down a bunch of them, that for people that want to try to learn our style.
Oh, right.
If anybody wanted to know them, they're a lot cheaper. Some that we've already mentioned, like the TQQQ, the SPXU,
Yep.
Wyatt, and TSLQ.
Yep. Nice, thank you.
Coach, somebody's definitely listening to you.
Yeah, I know. I thought the same thing. Isn't that weird? It's like stream sniping, you know, when they'll come and get you because they find out where you're at.
I mean, if you went back on replays, that's got to be like, you got to be like 60-70% on that move.
Yeah, that's weird, right?
I've watched YouTube
I can
videos.
call
and
it drops.
I've watched YouTube videos, Coach, and definitely can correlate the stuff that you say.
Oh, for
or what
sure.
we talk about in here.
Yeah.
In other people's videos. I won't say who, but it's quite funny now. It's like, oh yeah, I know. I wonder where you're getting that from.
Yeah, I'm starting to see it.
Recent videos.
Yeah, I know. I'm starting to see it in a lot of places. Everything we're discussing, all of our option strategies, like everything is starting to pop up on everyone's radar.
What we say, you know, I guarantee we coined not leaving anything to hope or to chance, and now I'm starting to see people use that as like an emphasis on other channels.
Yeah, I'm seeing the not financial advice.
Indicators are a big thing I'm seeing.
Yep, and not financial
Everyone
advice.
say hopium.
Yep.
All right, as soon as someone says dunk, I'll believe it.
They are copying a lot of us. I'm even seeing YouTubers that I know, like friends, but discussing all the same strategies that we've literally been talking about when they shouldn't be discussing some of them.
I'm just looking forward to when they start using some of our coin terms like.
Yeah, right. Or when they go, "You're done." The first time I hear somebody go, "You're done," I'll be like, "Oh, you got caught."
We're Jimmy game this thing here.
Yeah.
I'm just
I
waiting
think
on.
there's one that 3 months ago was calling Discord's a joke and all of this. You know, because they had a platform and now they're starting their own Discord.
Thank you. Yeah, that's funny.
CLA.
It's all right. They can try to do it. They just, there it goes. Yeah, APDN, nice. Anybody still in APDN?
Yes. I'm in it.
Nice. By the way, we're the only ones that I know that stream all day. I've never seen another streamer do what we do, and I'm sure they'll start picking up on that, but
Nah, you're all day stream.
yeah, I've never seen anyone do that before.
Yeah,
Ever.
That was one of the big reasons I went with you.
Mm-hmm.
Is
Right, they
have
have
that.
voice call signals and that's it. They don't actually teach you all day like you do.
Nope.
And there's one thing they can't imitate, and that is your personality, Coach.
Oh, thanks,
Your
man.
knowledge.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah, they can't pick up on 30 years and, a couple years. Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, I got a question. This is
Yes.
the first time using my laptop. I went into TSLQ and it came up with positions. I don't seem to have any working orders at this point because I sold it off, but there's a blue circle there. Is that supposed to be there? Does that just stay there?
Is it over here in the over on the watch list circle?
Yeah, so it's just a blue P.
Yeah, that just means what? Yeah, that you that you're in positions. If you look in your positions, do you have any?
Actually, coach, it'll stay there all day. Just shows that you had a position.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, it
Okay.
stays there for a while.
For your profit and loss.
It would be crazy. 'Cause
Yep.
This is the first time being on anything larger than a 3-inch screen, and I was like, wow, this is crazy.
Oh,
It's
gotcha.
also nice because you can highlight over it and see what your gain is.
Yeah, the P&L for it. Yep,
Hey,
yep.
Coach, I also don't have any video. I got a black screen, so you can't really show me. I don't know what's going on with that. I've already tried signing off and signing back on. I guess I could try it again.
Yeah, because it.
Have you had other people having problems with video on their Zoom?
Nope. Trust me, I'm sure they would be throwing rotten tomatoes at me by now.
No, I have enough patience. I'm not gonna do that. Hey, we have something in common. I just wanted to let you know your quirky personality. You said your dad was an entertainer.
Yeah.
So was mine.
Oh, very cool. What did he do?
He played rhythm guitar. You really want to screw yourself up.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that's what my dad was. Rhythm guitar and lead vocal. Yep.
So was mine.
Yep, that's awesome.
26 years. So
Yep.
I got to meet a bunch of people, whatnot. But
Yep. Isn't that wild?
it is, because it's like people that I met across the years, it's like, didn't really mean anything to me because I was a tadpole.
Yeah.
But now growing up, I'm like, hey, I met some people that I probably should have been waxing their boots.
Yeah, same. Yeah, same thing. Because yeah, he opened up for a lot of like people. Kenny Loggins, Waylon Jennings, Foghat, Three Dog Night, Chubby Checkers, like Marie Osmond, like big, Great Pretenders.
That's cool.
What was his band name called?
It was Cruisin'.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, my dad, it was the older generation, so it was all country stuff.
Yep. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it was definitely different. So I don't have to worry about that.
No, that's awesome, man. Well, I'm glad you're here. Check out APDN's about to pop. APDN is getting ready to make new high a day right here. There it goes, APDN new high a day. Spy's starting to reverse, thank you. Yep, Tesla's starting to go back here now to the upside. Nice. Let's see what that's finally gonna do. Okay. Just checking on some of these leaps I picked up earlier. Should start to reverse. All right, looks like SNTI is just dead today. Look at this thing. It's toast.
Yeah, just dropping lower.
Yep, it's just toast.
You'll probably see high day near close.
Yeah, I know, that's why I'm not shifting out of it. I'm gonna stay strong.
What are you like at 15 grand loss on that?
14.5.
Yeah.
Just the cost of a new cheap vehicle today, no big deal.
Right. Well, the good thing is, as I'm sure you don't realize that until you sell it.
Yeah, until I click the sell button, yep.
Right.
Vespa.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And that seems to pop every several days, that SNTI.
Well, that's what I'm counting on. We'll see. Like I said, I'll hold it for a couple days at least and see what it wants to do. If it doesn't do anything, then I'll just eat it.
So will you trend it out and try to, catch like, where where support area is to?
Well, yeah,
average?
that's where I'm at right now. Right here, it's actually at support. You can see here. So somewhere in this range should be support. But let me go back. So you can see there's been a lot of action around here. It can dip all the way down to 369. But on average, like its most support, which will be resistance at this point, but look at all these spots here. This is 550, which is where I'm at. But you can see 550 is like it's gonna be its move. So once it breaks the 550 again, it should go back up to 6 because that's where it was. So right here is 650, 750, 850. So we'll see what happens. And it's just now been getting all this buzz. If this starts to crawl back in its hole down here, around below this 350, I'm out and I'll just take it for a monster hit. Otherwise, I'll just hold it a couple days, couple weeks if I have to, whatever I gotta do.
Right.
So when I got in, I knew that once it took that big hit, it's one of those, I was like, okay, I can either take the L, which was about, I think it came back up to about $7,000 or something. But then I was like, you know what? We'll just see if we'll swing this bad boy because SNTI has been talked about. We've talked about it in here every day.
Right.
So.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
So I know you mentioned holding it for a couple of days or maybe a couple of weeks. Wouldn't you just keep holding it even longer than that, just so you can give it some time to come back around if it's
Oh yeah. I mean, theoretically, right? I could hold it forever, right? So it's not like it's gone. It's just at some point, do I want that buying power back? So, because otherwise, I'm gonna have to refund this account because I've used the buying power for the account. I'll have to dump more in here just to be able to trade with it. Otherwise, it's just sitting here dead. You know what I mean?
So your buying power is that the figure that's at the top right there?
Yes. Yeah. I mean, look, it's I used it this morning on that trade.
Coach, we're not gonna let you blow up your account. Come on.
Well, I won't. This isn't
How
blowing
much power
up.
you got left?
This is a small account.
How much buying power you got left?
None.
$1,200.
Is it?
$1,200, that's more. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Don't want to hear it now. $1,200, you can make it.
Yeah. Well, I've been making small trades.
Buy down. Use that opium.
Right. Yeah, well, I mean, it's now at 420. Like I said, around 350, that's a no-go for me. So we'll see.
Veto toe, which means 100 shares.
Well, the thing is if I dump 12,500 shares right now, this thing will sink to nothing and I would lose easily over 20K just by clicking this button.
Yep.
So we'll see. It's bleeding out pretty bad. It's pretty rough.
Ask Brady what he would do.
Brady wouldn't be in it because he scalp trades.
He wouldn't have been taking a shower.
Yeah.
I remember when Brady jumped on that phase at $19
Yeah.
and when it was running and he lost like $1,000 in like 3 minutes and he said, never again am I buying a stock.
Yep, I remember, yep.
Yeah.
SPY here is on the reversal. SPY is now on a reversal. If that can hold that VWAP, at least for the midterm, intraday, it is 10:30. We're getting shift change. Keep an eye on that.
Check out Apple 2-minute coach. It's running.
All right, thank you.
I was just gonna say that.
Oh yeah, Apple is taking off. Let me see if there's news.
Pie's taking off too.
I always, man, that's funny. I always put APPL instead of AAPL. Habit forever. You just would think it would be that, but all right, let's see. No news. It's just launching because the market's shifting. That's all.
SPY had news 18 minutes ago.
What was the news? Anything good?
It's about the attacks.
Let's see. Shocked by Russians' large-scale missile attacks. Yeah, it doesn't really say anything positive, so I'm not sure why it would rebound.
Yeah, Russia's shocked Russia's shocked that they attacked them.
All right, how we doing? Can you see everything all right over here, YouTube? Hold on, I'm gonna talk to my TikTokers. You guys can talk amongst yourselves.
Bombing Kiev and Kyiv for weeks, and they're shocked that they got attacked.
Right. Bro, you keep slapping someone and you get pissed off and you punch it.
All right, how we doing over here?
Yeah, you wonder why you get punched in the face. Right.
Good morning, everyone. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Appreciate you being here. Hopefully the signals are okay. Hey, what's up, Unhappily Housewife? Hope you had a good weekend. What's up, Paul at the beach? What's up, Puny? Good to see everybody here. How's IMUX look, Coach? Let me take a look. IMUX looks good, and now, because it's above VWAP, just make sure it stays above VWAP, okay? What price did you get the SPY leaps at? I was picking up 450 leaps. Low puts big for Friday. Yeah, Friday was awesome. APDN doing good? Good. Yeah, IMUX starting to look good. Good to see you too, Paula. You made 4,114 off of APDN. Nice work. Check out CPOP. Okay, let me check it out. Nope, nothing on CPOP.
You get a couple days to pay it. So, the best thing, I got margin calls on time.
XELA, by the way, has been going up steady the whole day. Did anyone get in XELA? It hasn't stopped yet. Just FYI, still no YouTube live showing up for me, my wife, or two of my friends in Indiana. It says it's up. Anybody over here on YouTube, can you thumbs up or leave a comment? Can you guys see me over here on YouTube live? Are you checking the American Dream trading?
But at this point, they're just going to liquidate your account and close it if you don't pay it, because it sounds like you're basically 5,000.
Let me know if you can see everything over here on YouTube live. Dennis, are you watching? Leave a comment or click that thumbs up.
Not all that margin, though, right?
It should be streaming. I'm looking at it. Expiration on the SPY puts was January 2025. My YouTube's not working for your live either. Is YouTube live not working? Oh, it is working. Okay. My buddy Contractors just said yes, it's working. So you guys make sure you're following American Dream Trading on YouTube. It's not the Coach CWC channel. SPY calls flying up. All right, awesome. Let me take a look.
That's really hard to do. You got to always try to do that shit.
Real quick, XELA still to the upside, in case you guys are wondering. XELA still to the upside.
SPY first screen, 2 minutes.
Yeah, SPY's got his first screen 2 minutes.
Nice. Watch. I'm just checking to see if those Tesla or SPY calls are starting to work out
I
yet.
was gonna say I'm not totally trusting it yet.
Yeah, I mean it's above VWAP, but it's gonna come back past it. Yeah.
Once SPY breaks 360, 350, there'll be real good confirmation.
Whoever said you got to try to do that, I was just rolling, man. That just made me laugh.
Because this will give you a nice cup if that comes back to here. You see this?
All right. Yeah.
But we'll see. Yeah, I don't trust it yet either, just because of the way the market is, but we'll see.
That green candle went red.
Yep, I see it. Right around VWAP, right? Nobody's trusting test, or nobody's trusting SPY.
Yeah, Tesla sent a big yank.
Yep, I see it. All right. All right, gang, how we doing? You're up on SPY, right? Awesome. I'm not 100%, but I believe it was calls for the expiration that said January 2025. Yeah, it was the farthest out leaps I could get. Buyer volume's increasing. Yep, sent pic of your page on Twitter Messenger. Pretty sure it's the right page. Well, it's live. People are in there. Let me take a look.
Yeah, VWAP is basically what the stock thinks its
Average
value
weighted
at.
price.
Yeah,
Value
so,
average weighted price.
yep, so the stock thinks that's what the price should be. So normally, we use that as a indicator to say if it's above VWAP, it's a bullish segment. If it's below,
I see what you mean.
yep, if it's below VWAP, then it's bearish.
Okay.
So if you look at XELA on Coach's screen right now, that orange, I guess that's a yellow line right there.
Yeah, why is that not? That is weird. If you go to my page, it doesn't show that I'm live.
There's a yellow line.
That is weird. Yeah, you're right. Even though I am. Yeah, if you go to American Dream Trading, it doesn't show that I'm live on there.
That first yellow line is probably a 9-day average.
What in the world?
That second orange line is the VWAP, what the stock thinks its price is.
0.50.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Yeah. Total volume of
What is this live on?
trading day is what VWAP is. Okay.
I don't get it. What am I live on over here on America? Contractors, are you in here? You're live on Chad Christian. That's why I'm on the wrong account. Hold on a minute. Let me flip this.